That was okay. Let me try it. Since I have changed into the gradient with the background colors, but it was not respecting. Why? Because we may change this model display into the hidden line. We have to try changing it to hidden. Let me try. Even though it was not changing, let me try color settings, background color change. Why? Because it may be turned off. Let me try to turning on background colors. Okay, now it's okay. Background color has been changed. Let me here. Going to the model. I'm going to change the generate model, the exterior one, and I'm changing the color of this one. Let me, it is a production, right? Everything I was seeing outside is a production. Let me change the production only. Going to override, going to solid fill. Let me make it as a white color. It's fine. Background, I am not going to use it because it is fully white. So no need to change anything here. See, you are going to use this background and the foreground only if you are using many of the textures like if you click here, like see that. See, if you have this kind of patterns mean you have two lines and then one gap is there. That is a background. Like this just sand heads, except the sand background is white. That will be considered as a background. Here the diamond and then inside the white. So that is the white will be considered as the background. So you can use as it with your own purpose. For now, I am going to make it as a white only, full white. So I'm not going to bother about background. Okay, and I press OK to apply. So when this model has been applied, and I want those walls also to be done. I'm going to model category W walls, changing into white, solid fill, and the white. With the walls also changed. Let me say adding the shadow, text shadows, and shadows, cast shadows and ambient shadow. There is two different things. Cast shadows will give you the exact shadow using the sun rays like this. See, it will show the hard shadows of the elements, but ambient shadows will be showing the inner shadows of this elements itself. Let me tell you. See, the hard shadows will not be visible, but within the element, inside the shadows will be there. So I want the ambient shadow, it will look nice. And I want the other also. So these colors and all will be came from the materials, applied materials of the family. This fully is under the Revit link. I need to make this link the file to copy to our new file, right? That is why we are here. Now we have fully seen how to create a view template and how to adjust it and how to view the patterns of projections and the cut patterns and using the sections. I think we have seen. This will be useful for using the shape creation and it will be a lot more helpful for your 3D modeling purposes. Always try using with the consistent color to make your model faster and work easier, or else you may feel little bit slower comparing to other views. Guys, if you guys feel any bored or anything, let me know so that we can try something else and we can jump into a next section. Let me go there. Always try to be interactive and accessible to me. If you have any doubts, let me know on the time itself.
So,
Okay. So these kind of settings and all in my Revit classes itself, they won't teach these things and all. They will generally say how to create a 3D model and how to model any of the elements with these tools and these other tools. Like that, they will be generally going through it. But while I started modeling from my own while joining a company, I started facing struggles for these kind of things. I don't know what is view template and I don't know how to change these colors of individual elements. And I faced a trouble with the projection and the cut patterns. These and all they haven't taught me yet. So I just wanted to know you guys to not to get stuck in this spot. That's why I'm spending time here to giving some examples and I'm creating new product every time to make you guys easily understand like that so that you can able to navigate through these elements wherever guys can you want to because each and every project in some of the companies, they won't allow you to edit these things because all these things they will be fixed from their end because the wall patterns and other patterns also they will edited this wall pattern with the separate patterns they have created. They may change it with. They don't want you to change this because it will collapse all the valves included in the project and you have to learn about filters also like override input filters is another thing let me tell you on future classes about this filter and other things and all it is very major thing to get know about the view template and let me try to copy some elements from this file it is a linked file if you see linked Revit file I want to copy some elements to a new product. Like I want this element, I want some column, and just tab, press, okay, tab it, okay. If I hover over the elements, it will highlight. I can select it by pressing Control so that I can click multiple enters. You can see one small plus symbol means it will add up the selection. If you if you press the shift button, it will show the minus. So it will remove your selection, but you want to add it. Control means add, shift means minus. Okay. So I'm adding all these elements again. See, there is another issue in this project. If you see in ground floor, I can't able to see any of the walls or elements in the linked root file. Why? Because I going through the 3D, it was looking fine, but I can't able to see into the plans. Why I want to see the wall side, why it was not visible. I am going to 3D and I'm checking in front view. See, the building is flying. It has to be on ground level, then only the floor plan will be getting cut. You have to know about the floor plans clearly. Floor plans is from this ground level 2500. Create one imaginary line. That line, let me open an elevation. In front is not so like this. See, this is the ground level. Okay. You can see the ground level distance and all. These are all from the linked Revit file. See, if I click it, all the levels have been selected from the linked Revit file. But these levels are not selected because this is from this project itself. So this ground level has been placed around 3000 mm higher than the ground level. I want to make it this ground floor. I press AL, align, okay, or else you can go to modify tab and go to align, press align, click this, and you can simply align the ground floor. Now you have aligned the ground floor. Now for the floor plan, how it will be considered a floor plan? The floor plan will be from imaginary line. Let us draw 1500. This is the line. Okay. And look at this. This will be this line has been drawn away from the ground floor and 1500. From this line, you are seeing downside. Okay. If you are seeing this downside, like let me put in your side. So from this line, if you are seeing downside, all the floor plans will be visible. Now, if you go to the level 0, we can able to see the floor plan. That's great. But you need to know about the view range. That 1500 I mentioned, right? This 1500. We can able to adjust this 1500 into 2000 or 3000 maybe. Why? Because you may have some elements at the 2500 level. Maybe a toilet window, it may be a place to here, maybe other elements, maybe it will be placed there, or you want to know where exactly like that. Um, wait, let me place one window. I'm going to the floor plan again, and here view range you have to know about. Where is the view range? Come to the property box, check the view range here. It will create one video also for your purpose. See, it was showing the same thing what I mentioned. Click the edit type. See, it was showcasing 1500. You can change into 2000 means it will show the floor plan from the 2000 level, but it will be same only since there won't be any changes in 2000 level also. Top and bottom. Top is, let me showcase that again, video for your reference. In this picture, you can see 1, 2, and 3. The 2 is the cut plane, where it's 1500. From 2, it was looking towards the 3. Top is 1, and the bottom is 3. You can you guys able to see the numbers in this. You can check this in your it also in future. So you can able to adjust the top and bottom also. That's it. Now I have to copy these elements. Clicking, press control, selecting all things. So I selected almost everything. Okay, everything is got selected. Now I can press copy. There is two copies. Don't confuse. This one is the copy for copy the same element and create another. Don't use this one. Use this one. This is the copy to the clipboard. Use this copy. Then copy the element. Let me filter it. It was showing some error because we have selected the link also. And pressing the link. And let me try copying again. Now it got copied. So if it's showing any error, you just go to the filter. You can check what you want and what you don't want. You can always check it and you can OK and copy it and paste it. Here lots of paste option is here. Paste from clipboard. It will paste from your mouse wheel. You can paste from your mouse wheel. Where you place, you can paste with respect to your mouse. I don't want the mouse wheel. You can place with the selected levels. It will ask 0 or first level. 0 level is okay, but cannot be more than that. All elements were copying, but placing something irrelevant. Okay. Why? Because our levels were not matching with the linked Revit files level. Let me try changing this one. To this level, I am aligning AL. This is the linked level first floor, and I am aligning it. Okay, I align the properly. Going to the floor plan again. Paste. Align to current view. I am going to click more rails. Again, it got copied in some random location, but fine. It's not an issue. But whatever we have selected for the doors and walls, now it was copied to the new file, but this file, our file is totally placed below the ground level. This kind of errors we always see in Revit while copy and paste. So always try cross check whether while you copy and pasting, whether it was placing in the correct location and the correct place. You have to always cross check because in Revit there is a bug always while copying and pasting the element using this copy and the pasting. This copy is totally different. Like you are drawing a wall here, you have to copy this one, right, for the another wall. This is one kind of copy. You are clicking, copy and paste it from clipboard. It will ask where to place. Wherever you move your mouse, you can place it from the clipboard. This is the clipboard and going to paste it. I'm not, no need to copy it again because you one time is copied means you can paste it how many times you want it. You can paste it, no issue. You can paste it a number of times. Just from clipboard, no issue. So I'm going to paste it with align to selected level and zero. Okay. So zero means it will be placed. It was copied and placed, but it is the same wall itself. It was copied and pasted over itself. Current view and align to current view means also the same place it will align it. And the same place also it will also going to place it inside there. Why all this are doing the same thing? You no need to worry. You can go to level one. So here I want to paste it. This is the first floor level, and I can see turn off the underlay option. See, these are all from the ground floor walls. Like uh, this is the first floor. Now, if you open the first floor, it was showing the ground floor walls also. You can go to underlay, look down, you can click it, underlay option to the none, so you can't able to see the ground floor walls. Now you need to paste this wall at the exact position of the first floor. I'm selecting everything, copy it, going to the first floor, pasting it, align to the current view. So it will place exactly at the same level. You can check it in 3D. See, no changes. It will be placed exactly at the same level. This will be from the ground floor to first floor. This one will be first floor to second floor. So this is all the copy and paste general concept. If you guys can understand clearly about copy paste, view template, linking a Revit file, placing a Revit file, and creating patterns regarding foreground and background. Hope you guys understand. If you guys having any doubt, let me know now. Fine. Let me do the shadow now. We use the publish. No, don't get confused. Let me do the shadow coordinate. See, no need to worry about the shadow coordinate. Even experienced person will face issues with these shadow coordinates and survey points. They may also don't have the clear idea, but I was working with the shared coordinates from the first year itself, so I have an idea about the shared coordinates. So shared coordinates to setting up, you have to set the coordinates once you have a project which have the shared coordinates included in the project. Like, let me open one thing. Let me check that. Okay. So this is an AutoCAD recap. It is for the point load. This is one kind of input we receive. Let me stop sharing it.